Hello, everyone, and welcome to our interview series. In this episode, we'll be delving into the experiences and insights of another remarkable team member. This is Shaoline. Please introduce yourself.
Yes, hi, thank you, Kaloyan. I'm Shaoline. I'm senior data scientist at Scailyte, and I've been working at Scailyte. It will be 2 years, beginning of December. And my background is mainly bioinformatics and biology.
Can you share what inspired you to join Skylight and how has your role evolved since you started?
Yes, I think Scailyte is quite unique in the sense that it uses really the latest, most advanced sequencing technologies, mainly the single cell and multi-omics. So I think that's really the what inspired me to join Scailyte. To really that part, and also the second thing that inspired me to join Scailyte is that we really aim to turn our findings into a product that can then be used in the clinics, and also just the clarity of the message really spoke to me. How my role has evolved since I joined Scailyte. So I first started as a data analyst, and then I joined the endometriosis project, where I became the data science lead. So I was organizing the project, leading the analysis, making the choice of the different analysis, processing of the data, and so on to do.
I guess it's the perfect segue into the next question. Can you share a recent project or accomplishment that you're particularly proud of?
Yeah, so exactly on that topic, I need to talk about endometriosis and how much the project has also evolved since I started. So in that project, we start from single cell data. We apply our SkyVision platform on it, and we derive signatures, which we then manage to generalize in bulk. And that is quite a really big achievement, I think. And now we're trying to decrease the signature to 7 genes, which we then want to have a assay to be used and really in the clinics. And so that assay will be used to diagnose endometriosis. So that's quite a big achievement, not only me but also all the team. I think it's big. It's a really nice effort.
In your opinion, what sets Skylight apart from other organizations in the field?
Yeah, I think so. What we see a lot is a lot of companies that offer standard analysis, and it's true that there is a lot of packaging tools out there to analyze your single cell data. But I think we don't just offer the standard pipeline. We offer on top our SkyVision platform, which we really use to go a little bit further, really finding in a cluster free way really the cells and the genes that are important to distinguish, for example, two categories. I think that really sets us apart. And also the way we try, again, to really use those insights to transform them into a product and something that can be really applied, not just a research question, but really something that can be used for very long. So I think that's really unique. The other thing that sets us apart is that I think a lot of us are a bit from academics, have a strong academic background. We try to really stay in tune with the latest research. For example, in the data science team, we have a journal club every week where we really deep into one particular article and try to see how it can be applied or how it can improve our pipelines. So I think that's also something that is quite unique to us, and maybe because we are so small, we are much more flexible and adaptable than a big company where maybe just installing a package might already require some efforts and some time. But I think for us, this allows us really to evolve much more rapidly. And finally, I think what sets us apart is just the people, and the people I've been working with, and the environment that was created. I think at Scailyte, every opinion is valued and, and listened to. So I think that really is unique, and it's really just a really great environment to work in. So that's also some personal thing that for me sets Skylights apart. Yeah.
Moving on to the last question, how do you envision the impact of Skylight's work on the future of healthcare and diagnostics?
So I think as I envision it is a little bit how the company, or how it has been told to me that it's envisioned. So it's really that, and I think it makes sense because I also went to a couple of conferences, and there is this really big need in companion diagnostics. So you have some treatments out there, but they're not very they're applicable to only a small part of the population. So it's really to try to map out which patients for which treatment. So I think Scailyte will have a big role in the companion diagnostic field, and I think that's how we're gonna. That's how I envision us making a breakthrough. And because we have single cell data is really very rich, and is the perfect data for which to gain these insights, and then combined with our platform, I think that's where we can really make a difference. Yeah.
Thanks, Shaoline. And I always like to finish off with a bonus question. What would you say to everyone watching?
Well, I mean, job-wise, something very basic, but if you enjoy what you do and you see it really impacting further on, that's the best you can choose for. Yes, I think single cell and AI, that's the future right there. So yes, that's I think where we should all be working on to make new breakthroughs. Yeah.
Thanks, Shaoline. Thanks a lot for your time, and thanks everyone for watching.